Hi there, and welcome to a two-bed, two-bath apartment at 1320 Brook Street. We're going to do a little walkthrough here so you get a better sense of the spaciousness. We're in the living room. We walked in through the front door. Nice balcony out back. If it was summertime, there'd be beautiful leaves there. Wood-burning fireplace. Very spacious living room. Let's go back towards the entrance because there's a couple of important doors here. The first one, the entrance door is on the right. The one straight ahead is the laundry room, laundry center, really. Good storage, side-by-side full-size machines, place to hang up things as you take them out of the dryer. And here we have a nice sized coat closet. And looking back towards the living room, that's a wood-burning fireplace. And now we're going into the combination dining and kitchen. Nice size space for a table for 6. Nice cabinetry, microwave, fridge, stove, dishwasher, and a disposal in the sink. And at the end here we have a nice pantry area with shelving. Looking from the kitchen down to the dining area. And the dining area is open to the living room, which makes it for a really nice feel. Let's go down the hall here. The first door on the left is the full bath. And nice counter space, storage. And underneath the counter, some people put a hamper there. Other people put their kitty litter. Full-size tub and shower. The breakers are in the apartment, and the next door on the right is a very deep linen closet because you can never have too much storage. And this is the second bedroom, very generous size, about 12 by 11. Closet is wider than the doors indicate. And now we're going to the principal bedroom. Yes, it is central heat and central air. And this is the principal bedroom, 14 by 12. Lots of room for a king-size bed, dressers, probably a desk. And down at the end here, we have a large walk-in closet. And then right next door, we have the second bathroom with a full shower. So that's 1320 Brook Street in St. Charles. Just a few steps from Main Street and across from almost the police station. Very conveniently located to Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, milkshakes. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person. And feel free to visit the website, 1350brook.com. That's 1350brook.com. Thanks for joining us for this little walkthrough, and give us a call.